Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube channel name from brown page to email name. So to change your YouTube channel name from brown page to email name, at first you need to log into your YouTube account. After log into your YouTube account, you need to click to your profile icon that is located top right corner. Then you need to click settings. Remember, you can change your channel name in two ways, that is edit on Google and one is advanced option. Edit on Google option is you need say this is the channel name, this is my brand page. So you can change this name, manage in Google My Business. See, you have to change. Now you need to click edit icon. See, you can change your name here. Otherwise we have to click advanced option, and then you need to click move your channel to Google account or a different brand account. Click this option. Now you need to log into your account. Now you will get this menu. See, my channel move to this is the connected brand account, and I want to move. After move, you will get the option here, select the desired account. See, this is my Gmail account. Now you need to select this account. See, after move, this is the connected account, this will be connected account. Now you need to click move channel. Are you sure you want to move and update your channel name? Now you need to click move channel. So refresh the page. If it doesn't work, you just simply open YouTube here. See, the page name has been changed. See, the channel name has been changed. In this way you can change the YouTube channel name, or you can transfer your channel name from brand page to your email name. Thank you very much.